Hola, ¿cómo estás? Ah, ¿Estás bien? ¿Estás más o menos? ¿Estás mal? ¿Estás cansado? ¿Estás enojado? ¿O tienes hambre? Yo tengo hambre. Estoy comiendo uvas. I'm eating grapes. So, ¿qué tiempo hace hoy? ¿Hace buen tiempo? ¿Hace mal tiempo? ¿O hace frío? Hoy hace buen tiempo. Muy bien. All right. So, vamos a contar un cuento. This is our vocabulario. All right. So you can find it here on your weekly assignment. That will load hopefully here in a moment. Anyway, so you have the words listed here for you as well. And at the top, there will be a Quizlet for you if you would like to practice them. We'll make this a little bit better. So the Quizlet will be right here. So we have está, tiene, sabia. So we have a wise old man. So sabia means wise. Chimenea. So that can refer both to the chimney part and to the fireplace. And then olla. So ollas can be like this big black olla, or it can be the small ollas that you cook up in on your stovetop. And then we have a casa de ladrillos and ahora. So now. So I have a clock because it's now. Anyway, ahora. And then se llama. We went over this one early in the year, but so means is called or calls himself. So these are the words that we're going to be working with today. So nuestro objetivo de aprendizaje es identify the topic of a story and some isolated facts. Nuestro cuento, se llama La Cerdita Sabia. So yesterday we had a story about el cerdito tonto, and so La Cerdita Sabia. So it's cerdita because it's about a girl pig today. Muy bien. So let's start off with a question. So this question you're going to answer right here in your weekly assignment. What is one thing that you have in your house? So, for example, Senor Hopkins tiene un gato. So do you have a gato or a bed, maybe a perro, a dog? Maybe you have sneakers. Okay, what's one thing that you have in your house? Then, so this is a question that we're going to see about the pig. What does the pig have in her house? So as you're listening to the story, go ahead and think and try to pick out what is something the pig has in her house. So I'm going to tell the story. So if there's something that you don't understand, you can pause it and rewind it. And these stories will also be available in your library. So this is in classwork. And so I'm creating a library. And so these stories will be in the library. So here's La Cerdita Sabia. Empezamos. Hay una cerdita. I'm going to make it bigger. Oh, before I do, let me go for what you need to be doing. So as you're listening to the story, you're going to be looking for some things. So here, you're going to be using this graphic organizer. So you're looking for palabras that you recognize. So words that you recognize. The tema, the topic. Personajes, the characters. Escenario, where's the story taking place. El problema, what's the problem. And la solución, how's the story resolved. So that's what you're going to be looking for and listening to during the story. And all right, now we'll make it bigger. So hay una cerdita. La cerdita se llama Rachel. Rachel está en Corbin. Rachel es sabia. No es tonta. Rachel es sabia. Rachel tiene una casa de ladrillos. La casa tiene una chimenea. Hay un problema. Hay un problema. Hay una loba. Es una loba. Loba means she-wolf. Hay una loba. La loba se llama Becky. Becky está en Corbin. Rachel no tiene miedo de Becky. Porque Rachel está en la casa de ladrillos. Rachel no tiene miedo de Becky porque Rachel está en la casa de ladrillos. Becky no está en la casa de ladrillos. Pero Becky no derriba la casa de ladrillos. Ella no puede. She can't. Becky está enojada. Pero Becky no es tonta. No es tonta. Ahora Becky está en la chimenea. Está en la chimenea. Pero Rachel no tiene miedo de Becky. No tiene miedo. Rachel tiene una olla. Oh, ella es sabia. Rachel tiene una olla. La olla está en la chimenea. Oh, está en la chimenea. Ahora Becky está en la olla. Oh, Becky está en la olla. Becky tiene miedo. Ahora Becky no está en Corbin. No, no está en Corbin. El fin. Muy bien. Pensemos. So these questions you're going to answer on your weekly assignment. So let me go find that and show you where to go for that. So you're going to go ahead and finish. Okay, let me pause and go back. So go ahead and take a moment, pause the video, and fill out this graphic organizer. So listing all the palabras you recognized, the tema del the story, del cuento, los personajes, el escenario, el problema y la solución. Okay, so when you're done with that, you're going to come here. So there's two questions that we're going to answer right here. So the first one's going to go here, and the second one is going to go here. So the first question is, what does the pig have in her house? So go ahead and write, what does she have in her house? Awesome. And here's the second question. ¿Dónde está Becky ahora? ¿Por qué? So the story doesn't tell us ¿Dónde está Becky? So you're going to have to pensar and write down where you think. And then ¿por qué? Awesome. So now, ¿qué es una cosa o una palabra o frase que aprendiste hoy? Or this says aprendieron. So you're going to write that here. What's that one word? And then, once you've done that, ¿cuán bien entendieron, or in this case just you, entendiste, el cuento de hoy? 1, no comprendí nada, or 10, comprendí todo. So you're going to write how well you understood the story here. So, muy bien. And then if you have any questions or comments, just write them here. Buen trabajo. Hasta luego.